Today, I'm excited to guide you through the simple process of using your Taco Bell gift card on Doordash. To begin, make sure your Taco Bell gift card is active and has sufficient funds. Additionally, ensure you have the latest versions of both the Taco Bell and Doordash apps installed on your device. Once you're all set, open the Doordash app and log into your account. If you're new to Doordash, you'll need to create an account first. After logging in, enter the delivery address where you want your Taco Bell order to be sent. Next, navigate to the Taco Bell section within the Doordash app. You can either use the search function or browse through the available restaurants until you find Taco Bell. Once you've located Taco Bell, browse their menu and select the items you want to order. Add these items to your Doordash cart. Once you've added all your desired items, proceed to checkout. In the payment section, look for an option to add a gift card or promo code. Select this option and enter the details of your Taco Bell gift card, including the card number and PIN. After entering the gift card information, apply the gift card to your order. Doordash will verify the balance on your gift card and deduct the appropriate amount from your total. Take a moment to review your order, ensuring that the applied gift card balance is correct, and then complete the order. With these simple steps, you can enjoy your favorite Taco Bell items delivered right to your doorstep using your Taco Bell gift card on Doordash.